Okay. Good morning, all of you. Myself, Pankaj Chaudhary. Today we discuss the topic adulteration in subject pharmacognosy for first year diploma in pharmacy. Adulteration. First, upon the definition of adulteration. What is the meaning of adulteration? The adulteration is the displacement of the article. Displacement of the article means सप्रेस इज क्वालिटी, जो उसकी क्वालिटी होंगी उसको सप्रेस करना, मतलब नथिंग बट द एडल्टरेट करना, मतलब ही डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द आर्टिकल. द एडल्टरेशन रिजेंबल इन कलर, साइज, शेप ऑफ द जेन्युइन ड्रग, मतलब जो आपकी जेन्युइन ड्रग है उसके जैसे ही वो कलर, साइज और शेप में दिखेंगी, रिजेंबल्स रहेंगी, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा आर्टिकल का, मतलब ही नथिंग बट उसकी जो क्वालिटी है वो डिस्प्रेस होंगी, कम होंगी, उसको बोलते हैं एडल्टरेशन. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडल्टरेशन इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द आर्टिकल. एडल्टरेशन मे बी एक्सीडेंटल और डेलिबरेट. एक्सीडेंटल मीन्स बाय ड्यू टू केयरलेसनेस, इग्नोरेंस और लैक ऑफ नॉलेज, उसके वजह से जो होता है उसको बोलेंगे एक्सीडेंटल एडल्टरेशन. वेयरएज डेलिबरेटेड मीन्स इंटेंशनली, जो इंटेंशनली करते हैं एडल्टरेशन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेलिबरेटेड एडल्टरेशन, इज डन ड्यू टू द हाई प्राइस ऑफ द क्रूड ड्रग. जो क्रूड ड्रग की हाई प्राइस है उसको जानबूझ के कौन सी भी मिलावट करते हैं उसको बोलेंगे डेलिबरेटेड एडल्टरेशन. देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेलिबरेट एडल्टरेशन. तो ऐसा इट इज कॉल्ड एज द एडल्टरेशन. द एडल्टरेशन डेफिनेशन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ आर्टिकल. एडल्टरेट रिजेंबल इन कलर, साइज एंड शेप ऑफ द जेन्युइन ड्रग. जो अपनी जेन्युइन ड्रग होगी उसके जैसा ही वो एडल्टरेटेड ड्रग आपको दिखेगा कलर, साइज और शेप में, लेकिन जो उसकी क्वालिटी होंगी वो क्या रहेंगी, कम रहेंगी एज कंपेयर टू द जेन्युइन ड्रग. देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द आर्टिकल. वो दो पार्ट के रह सकते हैं, एक तो एक्सीडेंटल एडल्टरेशन और डेलिबरेट एडल्टरेशन. एक्सीडेंटल ड्यू टू केयरलेसनेस, इग्नोरेंस और लैक ऑफ नॉलेज, वेयरएज डेलिबरेट मीन्स इंटेंशनली किया हुआ. तो इंटेंशनली कब करते हैं, व्हेन देयर इज द हाई प्राइस ऑफ क्रूड ड्रग. देन दिस एडल्टरेशन इंक्लूड द inferiorities, spoilage, deterioration, admixture, sophistication and substitution. These all terms are come under the adulteration. First is the inferiority. Inferiority means refer to the substandard drug. It is called as the substandard drug. Whereas spoilage means due to the attack of the microorganism. Deterioration means impairment of the quality of the drug. Impairment in the quality of the drug, it is called as the deterioration. Spoilage, attack of the microorganism. Inferiority refer to the substandard drug. Then admixture. Admixture means it is the addition of one article to the another by ignorance, carelessness or by accidental. Then it is called as the admixture. Then sophistication. Sophistication means it is the deliberate or intentionally addition of one article into the another, then it is called as the sophistication. And last is the substitution. Substitutions means it is entirely different article is added or substituted in place of the genuine drug. In place of the genuine drug, then it is called as the substitution. So these all terms are comes under the adulteration. Inferiority means it is the substandard drug. Then spoilage, attack of microorganism, deterioration, impairment of the quality of the drug, admixture, addition of one article into the another. Sophistication means it is a intentionally, deliberately adding the adulterate, then it is called as the sophistication. And last is the substitutions, means entirely different article are used in place of the genuine drug. So this all comes under the term adulteration. Then we will discuss the method of adulteration. Different method of adulteration are done to adulterate the crude drug. We discuss one by one. Number one, replacement by exhausted drug. So our crude drug have particular limit of active constituent. This mostly related with the volatile oil or any active ingredient. These are removed by exhausted, and this exhausted drug are colored and then added in the genuine drug. Then it is called as the replacement by exhausted drug. It is usually in case of costly drug like clove, ginger, fennel, tea. The active chemical constituent are exhausted from this drug, and exhausted drug is colored properly and mixed with the genuine drug. Then this method is called as the replacement by exhausted drug. This is we discuss about the method of adulteration. The number one is the replacement by exhausted drug. Second, substitution by similar in appearance. The crude drug which is similar in the appearance are added to the main genuine drug, but the adulterated drug have inferior drug or inferior quality. Then this method of adulteration called as the substitution by similar in appearance but inferior drug. If the drug has not reached the minimum standard of quality, then it is called as the inferior drug. Inferior drug are used for adulteration. For example, digitalis leaves which contain less amount of glycoside are used as an adulterant in genuine digitalis leaf. जो आपका genuine digitalis leaf है उसमें digitalis के ही ऐसे leaf ऐड करना, लेकिन जो क्या है जिसमें ग्लाइकोसाइड का कम कंटेंट है, then it is called as the substitution by similar in appearance but inferior drug. The next method of adulteration is the substitution in article by artificially prepared adulterant. जो अपन artificially prepared adulterant है वो ऐड करेंगे, then it is called as the substitution by artificially prepared adulteration. For example, paraffin wax is colored yellow and mixed in the beeswax. Beeswax have already yellow in color. They are highly costlier drug. Then the paraffin wax is colored yellow and then mixed in the beeswax. So this is called as the substitution by artificially prepared adulterant. Same, nutmeg is prepared by the wooden, like nutmeg shell, like nutmeg shape. The wooden are prepared and add in the genuine drug, that is nutmeg. Same, artificial inert sugar is mixed with honey. Artificial inert sugar is mixed with honey. It is called as the substitution by artificially prepared adulterant. Then next method of adulteration is the substitution by substandard commercial variety. Substandard commercial variety. For example, capsicum annum is used to mix with capsicum minimum. Or second example, seed of Stachnus nux banda having the less amount of alcoholite than Stachnus nux omica are adulterated in the Stachnus nux omica. So these are the substitution by substandard commercial variety. मतलब दूसरी कौन सी तो भी variety उस अपनी जो genuine drug है उसमें add करना. Then this method is called as the substitution by substandard commercial variety. For example, capsicum annum is used to mix with the capsicum minimum. This fourth method, substitution by substandard commercial variety. Then next method of adulteration is the presence of organic matter from the same plant. उसी plant का दूसरा जो कौन सा matter होगा वो add करना genuine drug में. Then it is called as the presence of organic matter from the same plant. For example, clove stalk are used to adulterate in the clove flower. Actually, the part used of the plant of clove is the flowering bud. The flowering bud is our medicinal part which you want to as a medicinal drug. But clove stalk are used to adulterate in the clove. Second example, part of inflorescence of फनेल, कैरावे, कोरिएंडर आर यूज टू मिक्स विद द रिस्पेक्टिव जेन्युइन ड्रग. जो उसकी रिस्पेक्टिव जेन्युइन ड्रग होगी, जैसे कि फनेल में फनेल का इन्फ्लोरेंस ऐड किया जाएगा, कैरावे में कैरावे का इन्फ्लोरेंस ऐड किया जाएगा. तो दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सेम प्लांट बट हैविंग द लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट और निग्लिजिबल अमाउंट ऑफ एक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट और absent of active constituent, they are added with the genuine part of the drug. Then it is called as the presence of organic matter from the same plant. Then last method of adulteration is the addition of synthetic chemical. Addition of synthetic chemical. For example, benzyl benzoate is added to Peru balsam, or addition of Citral in lemongrass oil. In lemongrass oil, addition of citral. Citrical is the synthetic chemical which is added to the lemongrass oil. So these are called as the method of adulteration, that is addition of synthetic chemical. So these 6 are the method of adulteration. First we discuss about the definition of adulteration. Definition of adulteration means it is the displacement of article and adulterant जो उसके बाद में जो बनेगा, this adulterant is resemble with the color, size and shape with the genuine drug. This is called as the adulteration. Adulteration may be deliberately or accidental. Accidental due to carelessness, ignorance or lack of the knowledge. Whereas deliberate means intentionally it is done due to high price of the crude drug. This adulteration include the 6 different terms, that is inferiorities, spoilage, deterioration, admixture, sophistication and substitution. Inferiorities means it is referred to the substandard drug. Spoilage means attack of microorganism. Deterioration means impairment in the quality of the drug. Admixture means addition of one article to the another article. Sophistication means it is the deliberately or intentionally addition of one article. Whereas substitution means completely different article are sold in place of the genuine drug. Then it is called as the substitution. So these all terms comes under the adulteration. Then we discuss the method of adulteration. Number 1 method of adulteration, replacement by exhausted drug. It is usually in case of costlier drug, for example clove, ginger, fennel, in which the active constituents are exhausted from the drug and exhausted drug are colored properly and mixed with the genuine drug. This is the number 1 method of adulteration, that is replacement by exhausted drug. Second, substitution by similar in appearance but inferior drug. These are the similar in the appearance but have inferior drug, that is it contains the less amount of active constituent. If the drug is not reaches the minimum standard of quality, then it is called as the inferior drug. Such inferior drug are added as adulterant in a genuine drug. For example, digitalis leaves having less amount of glycoside are added in the genuine digitalis leaves. Then next method of adulteration is the substitution by artificially prepared adulterant. The adulterant is prepared artificially and added in the genuine drug. For example, paraffin wax is colored yellow and mixed with the beeswax, or artificial invert sugar is mixed with the honey. These are the example of substitution by artificially prepared adulterant. The next method of adulteration is the substitution by substandard commercial variety. Means these are the different variety of the genuine drug which have less amount of active constituent, they are added to the our genuine drug as an adulterant. For example, capsicum annum is used to mix with the capsicum minimum. Second example, Strychnus nux branda are added in Strychnus nux omica. These are the substitution by substandard commercial variety. Then presence of organic matter from the same plant. This is the different part of the same plant which are the genuine drug. Genuine drug means they are the maybe the different part of the plant. For example, clove is the flower bud. The flower bud is our official genuine drug, but clove stalk are used to adulterate in the clove. Second example, part of inflorescence of fennel, caraway are added to the respective drug, a genuine drug. These are the presence of organic matter from the same plant. Then last method of adulteration is the addition of synthetic chemical. Benzyl benzoate is added to the Peru balsam. Same addition of citral to lemongrass oil. So these are the methods of adulteration. First is the replacement by exhausted drug. Second, substitution by similar in appearance but inferior drug. Third, substitution by artificially prepared adulterant. Fourth, substitution by substandard commercial variety. Fifth, presence of organic matter from the same plant. And last is the addition of synthetic chemical. So these are the adulteration and method of adulteration.